Okay. Oleg is marrying that false Freddy's. Bien. Enjoy your time, Harald. Really, he can be proud of himself. I mean, he played well. Why not? I'm not against it, but I'm waiting for Bjorn's reaction. That was too easy and too good to be true, you know? Bjorn winning.
It made them all change their minds. Teach it, then we'll take what they say.
Can you respect?
How did you plan
Yes.
to deliver on your promise to all of them?
Who cares? You had a child, you are.
That's complicated.
Can you? Undo it. I found.
This is not Freddy's. We saw him killing her. Really? I'm not gonna put that into YouTube, of course. That can't be Freddy's.
You've been very helpful.
Why?
Stay less for a while. Can arrange to send yourself twice.
Oh no, stop with that! Please, you all died.
Won't be king. First,
That was your plan?
I have no plans for Bjorn. I'm sure he will accept the verdict of the people.
Doesn't have the choice really about that.
He's not here.
No.
I'm grateful for your advice.
But you're not gonna give him Iceland? Aha! What are you doing?
You have to leave. Continue. Health is going to kill you.
He wants to arrest you or something like that, but not to kill you? Really? Nobody is doing anything? You want to save him after what he did? You're leaving the place like that, Bjorn? That can't be great for you. And you need to be cured.
I'm coming with you. No. You are wounded.
You are also.
I don't know why you did what you did.
Me neither.
Is it because I was on the Ragnar? No. I did what I did from your mind side.
Thank you for that.
I am in your debt.
Hmm?
For what it is worth, I offer you my protection.
Why not?
Kind of you.
Of course, there is a storm during that same time. Lagertha? What? Please help her. They're gonna know the truth about the kid now. Someone, please help her. Witzerk, time to shine. It's a time to shine for you. Find Lagertha and tell everyone that Lagertha is here. You're the queen of Kattegat, you can't. Not. No. Don't. No. It's not your time. During each episode, I'm gonna be scared to lose her. No! That's Lagertha. Time to shine for you. Find her. You're not gonna kill Lagertha believing that she's Ivar? Witzerk, I love you. I'm always rooting for you. If you're doing that, that's the end. Witzerk? No. You didn't do that? You didn't. You just killed Lagertha. No, she can't die, she can't die, she can't die, she can't die.
I will be killed by a son of Ragnar. How can you escape it?
No.
How could you?
No.
I'll sit with my beloved Ragnar. It
Oh.
was of course.
No.
I am not afraid.
No. And you're running away. You fucking coward. That's it. I'm over you. I was always supporting you. You did that. No. She just died. She really just died. I'm in shock. Sorry, I need a moment. I was afraid of that, of her being killed during this season. I said it a lot during all of these first episodes, that she was the oldest one into the show, that it was almost logical that they were gonna kill her, but I wanted her to die with honor, you know? Not being killed by that fucking white hair man. And not like that. I'm sorry, but I'm not accepting her dying like that. I know it was a prophecy that she was gonna be killed by one of Ragnar's sons. But like that, all alone, during the storm, she was already wounded. And because of Hvitserk, I always supported him. I always said he's one of Ragnar's sons, that he deserved a storyline just for him, that I was rooting for him because I loved Ragnar. So I love all of these sons, but I can't support you anymore. It's you just... She was a beautiful character. Her evolution since the beginning of the show, since the first season, is so impressive. She evolved so much, she suffered so much. I wanted her to be happy, to be in peace, and she tried that during the first episodes, and we saw that she couldn't have it because she was a fighter and she had too much enemies. And I said it, I was ready to say goodbye to her, but not so early in the season. I mean, we are just at the episode 6 and we are already losing her. We're gonna lose someone else before the end of the season. I mean, a brother or something like that. Lagertha. She was beautiful, she was a fighter. She fought during this episode like... And the other woman... We're not gonna see her again. At the end... Yes, at the end she was... I can't process this information. Yes, that's the end. We're not gonna see her again. We're not gonna see her again. During this season, we're not gonna see Lagertha again. Never. That's it, she's dead. I can't process that information. I mean, I can't process the information, okay, she's dead, but the consequences of that information, she's dead, meaning we're not gonna see her again on screen. We're gonna see Vikings without Lagertha. Episodes of Vikings without Lagertha. Without Ragnar, Lagertha and Floki. An episode of Vikings without Lagertha. I can't process that. And I'm shocked that they did it so early into the season. Her dying like that, being killed by a Fitzurk. Fitzurk, I can't be on your side anymore. I can't. I love you, but I can't. You just killed my favorite character of the show. I can't be... I can't. Fitzurk. Lagertha is dead. How can we have an episode of Vikings without Lagertha? We're not gonna see her anymore. Already, I can't process that information. And Bjorn, when is gonna learn? Putain. I'm sorry. That putain is really French. That was my fuck. Bjorn is gonna learn that Fitzurk killed his mother, killed Lagertha. Bjorn is gonna learn that Fitzurk killed her. I mean, Fitzurk is running away at the end, so maybe he's not gonna learn that it was Fitzurk who killed her. But at some point, he's gonna know the truth. I don't know how, but he's gonna know. I don't have any... Lagertha just died. We're not gonna see her anymore on screen. We're gonna have episodes of Vikings without her. She died because she was killed by Fitzurk. Again, I know, prophecy, all of that. We knew that she was gonna be killed by one of Ragnar's sons. Okay, I got it. But like that, because it's fucking crazy. I mean, it's not Ivar and he's not killing Lagertha because he wants revenge or stuff like that. No, she was killed because of a crazy mind. An hallucination. He was seeing a fucking human serpent thing. What did you just do? I know other stuff happened during this episode, like Bjorn is not the king of Norway anymore. Harald is the king of Norway. Bjorn is in a bad position. He just ran away with that fucking man who wants to be king of Iceland. I know all of that, all of these informations. I know, but for now, I don't care. I can't talk about that. Lagertha just died. How can I not talk about that during all of this review? How can I talk about something else? Lagertha just died. Fitzurk, you have to stop taking drugs after that, you know? If this is not the switch for you to stop taking drugs and to fucking stop all of your madness and getting better, I don't know what can it be, you know? You're totally lost. And for me, that's it. That was the end. Really, I can't be on your side anymore after that. I can't. How can I? She was my favorite character of the show, but not just that. She was... I don't know how you're saying it in English. The heroine, you know, the true hero of this show, it was Lagertha. She was the character that we had since the beginning. We evolved so much, who suffered so much, who lost so many persons in her life. She deserved to be happy and to be in a peaceful place. She had it for some times, but she couldn't really have it. And her saying at the end that she's gonna go find her right now. There were, you know, the perfect couple. I loved them so much. I shipped them so much. That was a real true love. I'm glad that they're gonna find each other again into Valhalla, you know. Can we see them again before the end of the season? I want to see them together. I don't know how, with flashbacks, with hallucinations, with, you know, something coming from the sky. I don't care. Can we see them, please? I want to see them together. I need that. They're together there. It's not enough for me. Dying in just less than 1 minute and saying that she's gonna go find Ragnar. Okay, that's great, but that's not enough for me. I need to say goodbye to her in a proper way, you know. For Ragnar, we have time to do that. But for her, I'm feeling that I don't have the time that I need to say goodbye to her, you know. We need that time. During the next episode, Torvi, Ube, Bjorn, they're gonna know that Lagertha just died. Witzer is gonna be there and he's not gonna say the truth. I'm sorry, I can't talk about anything else but that, but Lagertha being dead. And I think that I need an entire week to process that information. And I have to be honest with you, I want to cry a little more for Lagertha. I'm not gonna do that on camera, you know, but I know that when I'm gonna turn the camera off, I think that I'm gonna cry a little more for Lagertha. That was a fucking great character, an amazing character. Again, her evolution since the beginning of the show is so amazing. She was always a fighter, she was always a queen, a real queen. That's it, I want to cry again. She's not gonna be there anymore. I have really big trouble to imagine that show without her. I really thought that they were gonna kill her, you know, during this season, but not so early into it. We are not even at the middle of the season and they already killed her. I have really big trouble to imagine all of the rest of the episodes without her. I thought that they were gonna kill her, you know, like 2 or 3 episodes before the end, but not right there. Did you? I was gonna say, did you think of me after this episode when you watched it on your own and you were like, okay, we know how she is, we know how she's in love with Lagertha, she's gonna cry so much. Did you think about me, you know, after the episode, like, okay, this reaction video, she's gonna cry, we can be sure of that. You were right. If you thought about it, you were right. Of course I was gonna cry. I'm gonna take some time to cry for Lagertha. And I think that I'm gonna make a real review of this episode during the introduction of the next one, you know. For now, I can't think about anything else but her. I can't think about all of the other things that happened during this episode, like with Ivar and Oleg and Freydis, the false or real Freydis, with Witzer, with Bjorn, with Harald, with, you know, all of that. I can't think about it really. I can't try to make series or analysis for that. No. Right now it's all about Lagertha, and for once, you know, I need an entire week before watching another episode of Vikings. Like I said during my intro that the other episode I was a little disappointed about it, the last one, because we were not progressing into the story, we were just waiting for things to happen. That's it! Things happened during this episode, that's it. Am I happy about it? Let's be honest, no. No. I wanted them to progress into the story, but not so fast, you know, not... Again, I was expecting Lagertha to die, but just 2 or 3 episodes before the end. Not so early, clearly. You've got me, right there, you've got me. Okay, I'm gonna stop this reaction video right now. It's all for Vikings for today, for you and for me, so it's all for me for now, so bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.